In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a board in Monday.com. Whether you need a hard copy for a meeting, personal reference, or just want to have a backup in a different format, printing your Monday.com board is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step so that you can easily get your board on paper or in a file format of your choice. First, start by opening the board that you want to print. Once you have your desired board in front of you, there's a simple keyboard shortcut that will help you bring up the print options. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and P simultaneously. This command will open the browser's print settings, displaying a preview of your current board. From here, you'll see several options available to you. In this print view, take a moment to adjust the settings to best fit your needs. You have the option to change the paper size, so think about what dimensions work best for the information you're printing. Whether you're using standard A4 paper or something larger or smaller, this setting will ensure that your board's content is presented clearly. Additionally, you can adjust the scaling. This feature allows you to fit all the necessary information onto a single page, or across multiple pages if needed, ensuring nothing is left out due to size constraints. The next step is to decide on the destination for your printout. In the settings, you'll notice an option to change the printing destination. This could be a physical printer connected to your computer, perfect for having a hard copy. Alternatively, you might want to create a PDF file instead. Selecting a PDF converter from the destination list will allow you to save your board as a handy digital document, which can be shared or stored electronically without taking up physical space. But what if you prefer to work in Excel? There's an alternative method that you might find useful. You can export your board to Excel and then print it from there. This gives you the flexibility to further modify the data if needed before you print. For some, working in Excel provides additional formatting options and might be a more familiar environment for making final adjustments. And that's all there is to it. Whether you've chosen to print directly from Monday.com or export to Excel,